Yeah, man. We're live. We are going to be playing 1 minute against viewers today. It's going to be absolutely amazing. But the first thing I want to show you is I found the person who got close for fair play. His name is the Slow Typer. 12345. Probably took him a while to get that out. And he said he was Stream Sniper on Twitch. And so immediately, red flags. And he's rated 129 chess.com rating points. Okay, when we look at the review, we look at the review of his game, we can see 83% accuracy by me, 67 by him. This is a 3-minute game, not a 1-minute game, but we're playing 1 minute today. I had one great move. We had 4 book moves. He's rated 129, 4 book moves. That's that right there. I remember this game. I said something about it, and I'm going to tell you what it is. But before we get into that, you have to see the squiggler. And this happens a lot when I play online. Maybe I'm just being weird. Maybe I'm being insecure because I'm worried that people are stream sniping. Sometimes I think that plays in. I've been trying to fight that. But this guy's rated 29, and we're completely even. Actually, he's better in a couple of he's a little bit better. Right here, he's a little bit better. And then I say something like you're 129, really? This is 129. I'm like, you're underrated, right? It's a Smurf account. I don't accuse him of fair play violations. I'm like, this is not real. This is not real, right? And sure enough, what happens when I say that is Clifford, the big red arrow, goes nuts. Whoa, don't move that. Come on, Clifford. There we go. Go nuts, Clifford. It goes from being even to I'm just winning, and then I just win the game. I win the game. Now, am I reading too hard into it? But I don't know. But is it possible that they get nervous? They get nervous that it's obvious. You know what I'm saying? I think it is. I think they do. I think they get nervous that it's obvious, and they're going to get caught, and then they panic and play on their own power. E4, E5, bishop C4, knight F6, D4, knight C6. Not the best move. Not the best move either. Takes E5, D5. He's rated 129, guys. How long did it take him to find this move? 12:16 to 12:02. 14 seconds. Do you think he knows what en passant is, guys? Do you think he knows that I can take here? I just think it's weird. I think it's weird. It's weird. I'm not supposed to take... I'm supposed to play bishop b5 here, I think, right? Explore. Yeah, bishop b5. White still has an advantage in this position, believe it or not. Knight e4. That's stockfish. Knight e4. Takes bishop. And then I tick with a knight, I think. No, it's tick with the bishop, and he takes with the pawn. And this is like a mainline thing. Oh, is this where we play f3 and f4? I think it is. Castles. Bishop c5. F3. Look at this move, guys. Knight g5. F4. Knight back. I talked about this move the other day. Look at this position, okay? In this position, it's my move. Right? But if I play f3, his best move is knight g5. Then I play f4, and his best move is to go back. So now in this position, it's my move. The only difference is I played f4 for free. That's weird. Isn't that interesting, Will Anthony? Dude, I just talked about this line the other day because it came up in a different position where the best move is to attack it. It moves, and then you attack it again. It comes back, but it's my move now. So I got to play f4 for free. It's like I get 2 moves. Crazy. Anyway, it was around here. Let's see where the blender. Oh wait, let's go back. Let's go back because I didn't play the main line because I forgot it. Castles. Knight g5's not even a move, bro. Knight g5. He had d5. Yeah, and this is the blunder. This is the blunder. And it is in this position where he played like a lower rated player. He had d5 right here. But either way, it doesn't... When someone gets banned on fair play, it doesn't even mean they were cheating in your particular game. It really doesn't. People always go back and they rabbit Rabbit hunt? Rabbit hunt? Witch hunt? What's it called, guys? And look at the moves and try and see the cheater, so everyone go, oh yeah, he's definitely cheating, bro. It's like, you don't know, dude. You don't know. Because you don't know. You think you know. But I think that guy got banned for fair play, and he may not have been cheating when he played me. Maybe he played me and thought, ooh, I'm going to start cheating, and then I'm going to go cheat against a streamer, and it'll be fun. Well, knock yourself out. Knock yourself out. Today is 1 minute. Send gold for 10 jewels. Cool guys. Thank you, dude. How you doing, cool guys? And Turbo, what's up, dude? Good to see you, Will Anthony. I love you, brother. Thanks for being here. I am going to start playing 1 minute to get ready for you guys. It's unrated. I'm going to play you guys unrated. You guys are way too strong. But the regular pool in chess.com, I should play rated. It was set for unrated, so I'm going to wait for a game. It's probably going to be a bad rating match. 1600, that's not bad, actually. This doesn't feel too bad. Okay, maybe remove a defender, lift a rook. I don't know what to do. He's attacking my stuff, guys. He's attacking my stuff. Oh, he's all over it, too. I can't let him have it, guys. It's too much. Okay, just being dumb, guys. Just being dumb. You might want to play F5. Okay, he's way up on time, guys. This guy's crushing me. Crushing me. I'm busted. I could resign. He got me on time. Well, there you go. There you go. I just lost to a 1600. You guys, dude, someone just sent it. Oh, it was the same guy. It was the same guy. I sent the rematch. Dude, that guy is warmed up, bro. Rhodes, how you doing? That guy's warmed up. He crushed me. We had a technical difficulty yesterday, guys. So I'm running it back. 1 minute chess versus viewers. Kev Dog, how you doing, man? Someone sent me a challenge, man. I can go for a new one. Okay, I got to move faster. Why do I play Bishop C4? Trapped it. Go in here if he doesn't take it. Okay, here. Just improve my rook, I guess. This way. Oh, trying to open him up, guys. I'm trying to open him up. Now he has to take. Wow. Okay. Who did that? Who did that? I lost a piece, guys. I'm in trouble. Who raided me? Why you gotta raid me like that, bro? I'm trying to lose a chess game over here. Can a guy lose a chess game? Can a guy lose a chess game over here? He doesn't have it. Wow, he does have it. He got me, guys. Rook down to me. No! Good. Hey, you know what? I'm not glad I lost the game, but I am the Scrub Lord X with a party of 14? What? Scrub Lord? Scrub Lord, thank you, dude. Oh my god, what are you even doing? What did you guys even play today? Thank you for the raid, dude. You have no idea. Well, you probably have an idea how much I appreciate it. What's good? Luigi House, but it mansion. The game is called Luigi House? Dude, I love that about you, that you just freaking... How do I copy this? There we go. Let me see. Let me do my shout out. Shout out. Scrub Lord X. The fairies. I remember you, dude. Wait. Raider from I am. Oh, that's a rate. Yeah. It looks like there's two different words. Try that. Bam. Welcome to the world's longest shout out, man. Hey, dude, I'm starting to get challenges. Guys, if you have any interest in chess, I stream chess Monday through Thursday at 3 p.m. We have a great community. Today I'm playing 1 minute against my viewers. I'm going to jump into one right now. I also play other games, usually Souls games like Elden Ring, at night, what we call after dark, folks. And we just have a lot of time. We do a lot of co-op, man. What is Luigi Mansion? I don't know what that means. Luigi, but it's mansion. You lost me at Luigi, and you really confused me with mansion, because I don't know what it means. Okay. We're going to play the F4 maneuver. Okay. It's coming in. Doesn't do anything. Takes my bishop. You love to see it. He wants to move his knight. Just go here. There we go. Do I come this way? I think I do, so we can indubitably. Now the sacrifices are on the table, folks! I don't know if they're really on the table, but if I got a little excited when I said it. Could you hear? Bishop's coming here, folks. Knight's coming here. Oh my god, I just sacked my rook! Totally unplanned. But he blew it. What's he doing? It's like he wants to lose. Oh, he attacks my knight. Oh my god. Rook takes. I'm in trouble. The rook's coming. I'm in trouble. Wow. Okay. Yeah, game over. Oh my god! All this, I just got raided, and look what I just did. Got his queen. Running for the hills. Just bring my queen. Got him on time. Whoa! Okay, now, that's 1 minute chess if you don't know 1 minute chess. I was losing on the board. If it's an old GameCube. My kids had GameCube. They love their GameCube. It was one of their favorite things to do. End up losing power yesterday. I didn't lose power in my whole house, but the internet went out. We were playing. Okay, yeah, got that. Dude, Luigi's Mansion. I gotta ask my kids. Of course, they're adults now. Y'all are adults, right? Scrub turned the mansion into a house because he didn't collect enough money. Oh, womp womp. The game is just called Luigi's Mansion from the GameCube back in 2001. It's basically a game where you catch ghosts and Try to rescue Mario from King Boo. Not King Boo. Ha! Did you guys get him? Did you guys save him? I'm trying to think what they played on GameCube. Which game? I know they used to play... No, Mario Kart had to be like Nintendo or something, right? Don't remember the GameCube games. I just know that they had a GameCube and they played that thing a lot. Yeah, Dave Sensor, how you doing, man? Good to see you, brother. Send me a challenge, guys. I'm waiting. I have no one to play me. You know you want to play. Hey, Scrub, you entirely off topic, but I never got refunded for my dumb poll. Oh. Twitch points. Yeah, hey, one thing about me, guys, I haven't spent a lot of time setting up my Twitch points. I know I should. I'm kind of here to play chess. The community kind of comes, you know what I'm saying? But no, I've been streaming full time for 5 years, so I'm kind of a little bit of a gamer. AFM Kirby. We are now friends on chess.com. What that means is we take care of each other and we help each other get better at chess. I have nobody going back in, guys. This is where I completely ignore my chat and just try and beat this guy. You guys just gotta move fast, guys. I can watch me beat him. Watch me beat him. The last game was horrible. They look so hard, guys, because they want to take the pawn. They want to take... I should have pushed it. Queen E2. It always wants me to play Queen E2. So I'm going to play Queen E2. I don't know. Hit it. Okay. Yeah, move. Go ahead and put your knight in the middle of nowhere. I didn't see what he did, so that was probably really bad. Hit the queen. This is a really weak square. I might have to do something about... Got his queen. He'll probably quit. If you guys don't play chess, you've probably heard about the queen. Oh, I lost my queen, so you quit. At the beginning levels, when you lose your queen, you quit. In a 1-minute game, you can keep playing. But here's the thing. I got 46 seconds. He only has 32. What's that? Like a 25%-ish advantage? More than 25%. Right? I don't know math, guys. Someone tell me. It's a huge advantage. I guess 25% if you were going off of the minute. But if you go with time left, I have like a over 33% advantage. Right? Scoring, how you doing, brother? Yeah. Lucker. Thank you. Hey! See, I told you I'm not a math guy, but I caught up to it, Lucker. Lucker, you a math guy? You're too bad to play, unfortunately. No, I have people come to me all the time and they say, I want to get better before I play you. It's like, you don't understand. I'm always going to crush you. And on top of that, it doesn't matter because I have friends that crush me and I want to play them. The way we get better at anything in life is by competing against any competition, is by competing against better players. That's what you want to do. Oopsie. It's no big deal, but it's what I wanted. He's playing F5? I like this guy. He's coming at me like a spider monkey. In full spider monkey regalia, folks. You absolutely love to see it. We're going to come here and play for the El Centro break, guys. We're going to break in El Centro. It's a town in California. You don't know it. He had a pawn. He didn't take it. We're going to go here first. Okay. Just come back. Let him push again. No spider monkey? I thought he was just going to full spider. Whoa. Uh-oh. What's happening over here? Oh, I thought I could take that. This is so bad. I'm losing. I'm losing. I'm losing! Looks like we got... Okay, we got it broken up. What just happened? What just... Ooh, dude, that totally cut off two defenders from the square. This was an awesome move. 39 takes. Do I take with the queen or the bishop? I think I take with the queen. He only lost a rook, guys. He didn't lose his queen. That was a queen trade. We're going in, folks. I'm gonna do this. Got him on time. At that point, I had an overwhelming material advantage, right? You see, he had no pieces left. I had all my pieces, right? And it's clearly winning for me. Here's the problem. I had 6 seconds left on my clock. And I knew that he had... When I see in this position, if I lose on time, I lose. Because he has pawns. He can make a queen. He could possibly win. So I take his pawns. Now I can't lose. Now, even if I lose on time, it's a draw. Really. Because he has no material to checkmate my king. So then I say, well, I looked at the clock. He has 1.6 seconds. I have 7 seconds, 7.3. So I just made really fast moves. And I made him lose on time. And he's 14-16. Edible 25 pneumonia has been around here for, what, a couple of weeks now? You're kind of new, Edible, aren't you? How do I play you, sir? There's a pinned comment. Challenge Rosewood Telly. 1 minute unrated. Chess on chess.com. Just got back from being out on a drive with my dad. Scoring nice, man. Next match with me. You got to send it. The guy says, next chess brain. Where's the challenge? It's in the pinned comment. Oh, AFM Kirby. Didn't I see you in chat? Or did I play the guy already? I just saw that name. He challenged me and then it went away. AFM Kirby, 1 minute unrated. Rated 1674. This guy's legit, folks. We got to beat him. Just take it. I take it because you're supposed to take it. No good reason. Look at the king. He's bringing a king. He's bringing a king march, folks. Break him. No reason. Dude, how do you even know to do that, bro? Oh, I had check and win the queen. See, if I lose this, this is not a shady game at all. It's not a shady game. Takes. I'm losing. He's way up on time, guys. Straight. And he got me on time. Crushed me on time. AFM Kirby, good game. Yeah. Dude. That was crazy. You're 1100 daily, but 330 and bullet can't handle the stress. You know, part of it is also the better you get at normal, slow, understanding chess, then the faster you see things, right? And then if you start playing some 5-minute games, some 10-minute games, you start feeling the clock, your speed gets better. Your speed gets better. Yeah. Do you want to play 1 or 3? 1 minute. Yeah, hey, dude, good game, AFM Kirby. That was hilarious, dude. That was a great game. He marks his king, guys. I mean, there had to be, obviously, clearly better moves than what I did. Well, yeah, I know I had the win at the end, but he's way up on time, guys. And he made the position difficult. It's like, was my move okay here? Oh, Queen E6. Winning a pawn and threatening. Queen G5 is his best move. Wow. What if he just... Oh, he can't... What if he does this? Oh, I have check here. Wow. Queen E6. Yeah, see, but it's a 1-minute game. And looking back and saying, oh, I could have won. No, I couldn't have. My opponent was moving faster than me. You have to like have a good position on the board and For instance, get to your board. For instances in Japan. Make a Manunu, for instance. Oh, it aborted. I want to play the guy from Japan. He has a cool, check out his profile, guys. Check out his profile. He has a little anime profile. I'm kind of digging that. What is that from, guys? Is that from Clash of Titan or something? I don't know. I don't know my anime, guys. I don't know any of them. Someone send it. Send it, folks. Play online. Yeah, I'd never do that in Blitz. It just confuses my opponents, dude. That guy played a fun game. AFM Kirby. What do I press on your profile to challenge you? I don't have a link. If you play on chess, if you have a chess.com account, go to chess.com and challenge Rosewood Telly 1 minute unrated. That's it. It's in the pinned comment. Rosewood Telly. Oh, I see the username now. I'm silly. No, it's okay, Tornado. Yeah. I don't even know if there's a way. Is there a way to make a link to challenge me 1 minute unrated? I'm gonna ask ChatGPT right now. We're gonna make we're gonna make the stream better forever. There's probably one little spot. Is there a chess.com option to get a link for a specific set of rules to play for my live? It'll tell me, guys. I got the Deep Thinker, guys. I pay extra money for it. I'm crazy like that. The Deep Thinker's pretty good, guys, because you could upload unlimited pictures. Or I don't know if it's unlimited, but you're having a problem with something, you're trying to fix something, you just keep taking pictures. And it's like, what about this? You're like, what about that? It works. Dude, follower goal met 650. Dude, thank you for the raid, man. Scrub Lord, you're amazing. Yes, but chess.com has two different options. Permanent play me link. No. Okay. Viewers click. Okay. For your lives, the best setup is probably play me. Chess.com, play Rosewood Telly. Chess.com. Yeah. It's telling me to tell you guys to send me a 1 minute unrated. I can't get a link to post so people can click my rules and challenge me. You don't even have, dude. Oh man, we got to try and get this guy back. This guy plays fast. Don't forget. Oh! I should have traded queens because I'm not okay. He's doing it again! He's doing it again! He's doing it again! Why would you do this to me? He's doing it again, guys. You did it again! Kirby, you're too fast. Yeah, I sent it. Good, Tornado. I'll watch for it. What's your name? For instance. Oh, there's for instance. Okay, I'm taking for instance. Try not to spam them because it's not that I care. But I don't want chess.com to be like, you sent too many challenges. That's what they say. You like my chess.com voice where I literally, you sent too many challenges. Yeah, like that. Ain't nobody got time for that. Is he not rated high enough, guys? I think I just dropped a piece. Probably wrong rook, but I'm okay with it. I'm not in check, am I? Wow. He's trying to make me, guys. He's trying to make me. Got him on time, or he's checkmated. Oh, wow, I had a sniper. Forward distance. Dude, that was a great game. Look at the clock. He was up 2 seconds. No instant rematches. Okay, wait. I subbed on YouTube there. Yeah, I sent it. Wait, actually, it said I didn't send because I sent while you were playing. Yeah. Ski Mask Baby said, hello, I hit 400 ELO on bullet. Dude, congratulations, man. Coco Gamer says, who's the smooth criminal? Hi, Coco, welcome back, dude. Get taste, my man. Z-Goose. You have the same exact, same... Oh, Z-Goose has the same pieces and board as me. That's awesome, Z-Goose. That's all. That's great, man. Dave Center, I said hi to you. What's up, brother? Dave Joyce coming in with the $100... With the $100 million... With the 100 Facebook Gaming stars. Guys, I don't need coffee. But I got to go over here for a second. Follow me to the coffee camp. Guys, can you see? I don't know if you can see on this scene or not. You probably can't. Maybe you can see on this scene. Yeah, right there. Guys, look what it is. This is my main guitar, guys. You say, why is your main guitar out right now? You're not playing your main guitar. I had a recording session this morning. The guy comes to my house, sets up a recording studio, plays a song, I play guitar on it, and I get compensated. Yeah, it's kind of cool, right? Of course, I'm on 4 hours sleep and I got to work tonight, but hey, that's an entirely another issue. We have a friend request. For instance, from Japan, we are now friends on chess.com. That means we take care of each other, we help each other get better at chess. All right? Okay, guys, I'm back in the action. Someone send it, send it, send it! I want to play somebody, anybody. And I'll go in the pool. I don't even care. I'll play strangers. Dave Joyce knows it. He knows I'm not scared. Rhodes at the Stars hype. Yeah, Dave Joyce, thank you for the 100 stars, dude. You haven't played 8 games. Oh, yeah, that's okay, man. You know what? Tornado, if you want to play me, I'll tell you this. I play viewers 1 minute on Mondays. I play viewers 3 minute on Thursdays. But Wednesday, we have a 10 minute with a 5 second increment added for every move tournament. That's the one you want to get into. I'm not good enough. You are good enough. I don't win the tournament every week. There's a lot of people better than me. It's about community. We got another friend request? No. It's about community. Hi, would play songs for us. You know what? That guitar, it would take a while to set that up. Charlie the Jackal. Or Jackal says Charlie the Legend. Jackal, thank you, man. Yeah, Thursday's 3 minute. 3 minute. And then, but when you want to be here for Wednesday for the tournament. Stream starts at 3 p.m. Central Standard Time. Like Monday through Thursday. It starts at 3. And then that's Texas time. That's where I live. And then tournament starts at 4. Tournament takes, I think, about an hour and a half or something. And you get to play with the community. We talk, we watch, we've been doing that tournament every week for almost 60 weeks. Like I told you, I've been streaming for 5 years. I'm just going to the pool, guys. I'm going to the pool. Royale with cheese. This guy's a Pulp Fiction kind of guy. It's a bad bishop. It's a good bishop. He gets a pawn. I get a pawn. He comes back. Threatening mate. But he can't take it. Right? Then bring the other rook. And this is the square we're looking at right now. That's our square, guys. If we can get there, we win. Hit the queen! Oh, that was a mistake. That was a mistake. Because now I get my square. Now I have to give the queen up, guys. Now I can sack here and mate. Ugh. Where's the mate? Where's the mate? Just go after him, I guess, like a spider monkey? I didn't know... There's a mate there, guys. There's a mate there. Ah! I slipped! He gets out with check. Give me that rook. Uh-oh. Dude! Royale with cheese. Now, he was not a viewer. He was from the pool. Do you have a chess.com club? I do! What a great question. Yes, it's called the Chess Chillers. As a matter of fact, if you go to community and you go to clubs and you go to find clubs, you search for Chess Chillers, but you're not going to need to do that. You know why? Because I'm going to give you a link right now. Copy link. Bang. That looks like it. It's pretty long, but that's it. That's how you join Chess Chillers. Chess.com clubs, chillers, join, campaign. Yeah, that's like a weird link. That's like, I mean, it's from chess.com. But it's like, you have 30 more invites left. It's like, why? I think, yeah, I don't understand that. But either way, that will get you there. That will get you there. You'll get one of the very few, what are they called? Exclusive invites. We have like 1,170 something people in the old chess.com club. It's growing like weeds. Taper Mike, welcome back. How you doing, dude? Yeah. Try to play the tournament, man. Try and play the tournament, Simpliste. And Tornado, man. You don't have 8 games, so you know, just relax. You don't have to play me today. I play chess 4 days a week. Right here on Facebook, Twitch, and 2 YouTube streams. So thank you for asking, Durak. And I'll tell you, there are sometimes I will grab the guitar and play some music, but we're not going to do that probably right now. I ain't trying to be grumpy. I'm just trying to play 1 minute chess against challengers. I don't have any challenges. I'm going to refresh. I mean, what's going on here? Usually one of you guys wants to play. Across all platforms, there's so many people watching right now. You guys play on chess.com. Someone send it. Play online. Looking. Okay. Going back into the pool, folks. Going back into the pool, because that's where I belong. He's better than me. He's better than me! No, he's not. Stop saying that. Never say that again. This way? I'm down a piece. I'm up on the clock. I take the draw. Guys, I was losing that game. Technically on the board, I was losing that game. On the board, I was losing the game, but I forced a draw. There's no way. Now, you say, wait a minute, Charlie. What if you come to this square, then he gets to come over? And then I can't win anything. There was no way to win any material, I don't think, here, guys. You know what I gotta see, though? We gotta see the mate in the last game, guys. I sacked the rook. I know the rook sack was good. Because Gotham chess... Was that the last game? Yeah, that was Royale, right? Royale with cheese. Flip the board on me, Magnus. You guys want to hear Magnus Carlsen talk?
You started off worse, but turned it around when you won that material in the middle game. From there, the win was yours.
Thank you, Magnus Carlsen. He's so kind to me, guys. He talks to me. I don't really need a review. I just need to go to... analyze and see where I sacked my rook. Okay. Best. That's not good. Rook 8-6. Oh no. We just threatened checkmate. See, I could have just played rook 8-6 instantly, guys. His best move is sack the queen to slow it down. Okay, so rook 8-6 was mating. I bring a rook. That's a best. That's okay, but rook 8-6 again is mating. Hey, I have a challenge. A 3-minute. No, 3-minute. Mujek Sex Delado from the great country of India. 1 minute today. Check. Winning the queen. And then that was good. It wanted me to take with the other rook. Like it matters. Queen G3. Queen H3. Oh, dude, I looked at the idea, but I didn't freaking... I knew there was a mate here, guys. This is mate. Like back here. Here, I thought like, check here. I knew I had to move backwards. But no, you check him and force him to this square. To this square, and then I check to this way. So I get my queen out of the way of my rook. And then is forced checkmate. Okay, good. We learned. Sorry, my friend. No 3-minute chess. Oh my God, you freaked me out when you said coffee cam. That was from a few minutes ago, Coco. Do you know it's happened before? It's a little embarrassing, but I do it anyway. Not on purpose. Where I'll go to coffee cam and then I come back and I go, okay, guys, we're going to kill this boss in Elden Ring. And I'll just start fighting the boss. I'm like, oh my God, I'm so close. And they're going coffee cam. And like it's literally on the coffee cam. They called it the talking refrigerator, guys. The talking refrigerator. I just looked at chat. It said coffee cam, but that was from a few minutes ago. Okay. I can't play the 3-minute game. If I play him 3 minute, everyone's gonna want me to play 3 minutes. It'll be anarchy. Guys, I'm old. I'm grumpy. I like rules. Like the rule is turn the AC on when it's freaking hot in here. Someone send it. Guys, if you guys just got here, we had a cheater. No, well, no, we don't know that it was a cheater. But we had someone on chess.com get banned for that thing called fair play, which no matter how you look for it, no matter how you slice it up, oh, these are all 1 minute games. We're going to get past this. No matter how you slice, there it is right here. This guy, the slow typer. The slow typer is his name, folks. And he on Twitch, I think his name was Stream Sniper. Probably not. It was probably Stream Sniper 8734239, right? Because I mean, on Twitch. But yeah, this guy totally cheated against me, and he played. But we don't know that he cheated against me. But the thing is, he's rated so low, and he played like normal moves until he blundered, and then I beat him. So it's hard to say that if he was even cheating in this game. You can't really tell, you know. But this guy got banned. He's got the little closed for fair play. Sandbagging, probably. You know what? Concert hall piano recording. Let me tell you something that when you say that, yeah, or I would say a ratings manipulation, right? Because look at his record. I mean, oh, Adam, I'm gonna play you right now, brother. Look at his record. He loses every game, but he's rated only 130, so that could make sense. He beat 100, a guy that was 100. He beat a 264. Oh, no, he was at 264 when he won those games. It's hard to say, man. It's just so hard to say. All I know is, guys, if you got to cheat at chess, if that's the only thing that makes you happy, you know what I say? If cheating at chess is the only thing that makes you happy, go ahead and cheat at chess so you can be happy. But then you need to figure out what is wrong with you. You need to figure out what is wrong with you that makes you happy cheating at chess. You know what I'm saying? That's what you need to do. I got a large El Centro, folks. Oh my God! You had check, but I had this anyway. We're just going to come here. I got the large El Centro. I got his knight has no moves. Yeah. His knight has no maneuvers. Dude, Adam is one of us. And Adam is playing like a freaking beast monster. I set that up. Just so you know, I set that up. You can stop the mate. Oh, wow, okay. Dude, the rooks are coming at me like spider monkeys! He won my piece, bro. We gotta make squares, guys. Yeah, see, I saw that he had no time, and so I just was making moves to fast to make him lose on time. Adam, dude, that's the best game I think you played me so far. You've never beat me, right? I know, Adam. No. Oh, use your stickers. Adam's on Facebook. Adam's on Facebook. He's got stickers. Use your stickers, Adam. Adam's got the no sticker. Oh man. Slink Abyss, 1 minute unrated. Dude, that was the best game you played me so far. You played so fast. You played good, too. Whoa. Looking at stuff. Oh, I didn't see it. Slinkabiss is really good for 973, but he did just give the piece back, so there's that. Oh my god, it's pinned. He saw it! Okay, and that's exactly how I won the game right when we got raided. Right when we got raided, man. It's how I drew the game. I was losing a game, but I took all my opponent's pieces. And then I won on time. That's a draw. Well, this opponent, Slink Abyss, played a great game for a 973. That was absolutely insane, crushing me on the board. But in 1 minute chess, as important as the board, what's happening on the board is what's happening on the clock. And I finished almost 10 seconds ahead of time, so I just had to move fast and not lose. And he was smart enough to take all my pieces. Look at this. I'm losing this game. That was a good game. Yeah, Jake Parada, this guy, he's rated 973. That's ridiculous. Izan, 1 minute unrated. Izan, we're in, baby. You guys are too strong. I gotta play faster, I think. Is that a mistake? Puts the bishop on the naughty, naughty diagonal, folks. Like, forget about it, diagonal. I might have to bring more pieces, guys. I thought I could make this guy with nothing. Brings the queen. He wants to bait my knight away. I just say hello. What's up, dude? You like your queen there? Yeah, can't be there. Not in my life. Okay, bring another rook. Okay, he attacks stuff. And he attacks stuff. We can come here. Wow, he didn't have to do that. He didn't have to do that. Okay. Okay, and then, I guess here. Yeah, takes. And then. Dude, I tried to do a full and then on this guy, and he's not falling for it. Got him on time. Wow! Eisen! I was up 11 seconds, guys. That's like it's untenable when you're playing someone you're on rating. But for him to be rated 462, that's insane. Yeah, exactly. Concert hall piano recording. Very cool. Greek, how you doing, man? Villa. Oh, you guys are all coming at me now. AFM Kirby, I'm probably not going to take you right now because I have a lot of new people I haven't played yet, okay? Are you here? I tricked him, folks. I tricked him. This is definitely the move. Developing. Thank you for developing my stuff. I need it. I don't have a lot of time to develop my pieces. I'm a pretty busy guy. So if you could do it. What did he do? Did he move? I didn't even see what he did. Dude, now that was more like a 429 because I had 31 seconds left. And was I winning on the board? It's like, that's how bad the game was. Yes, I am up a piece. But it is Mike. That's not my mic, is it? Is it Mike? 1 minute challenge from It Is Mike. Folks, you absolutely love to see it. Kind of gave him that, but okay, we kind of got to get out of Dodge. Where do we go? We can go here, I guess. He's gonna be in trouble when I get developed, guys. He's trying to break El Centro, but it works for me. It works to my advantage. Okay. Oh, I didn't see that one. Okay, then just takes this way. He got my queen, folks. He got my queen, but he has no threats. I almost played mate in one, guys. I almost played checkmate in one move. Uh-oh. That was a bad maneuver. Can't give him everything, guys. And he got me on time. Dude, It Is Mike. You killed me, brother. He killed me on time, guys. He had 4 seconds. I didn't look at the clock. But it was going to be, those moves were easier for him. I was going to lose on time anyway. Maybe. You're at 1250 rapid. Jake, that's good, man. 1250 in this economy? That's funny. We all wish. Jake, there are people rated 300 that wish, hey, Pine JP, how you doing? Welcome back. Send it. There are people that are rated 600 that would say, if I could just get to 1,000, I would be happy. That's not how life works. That's not how chess works. If you got to 2,500, if you were a grandmaster, you got all your norms, and you became a grandmaster and hit 2,500, you would not be anywhere close to your level of chess. To being happy with it. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. What to do as a beginner? Play a lot of chess. Yeah. Iman, play a lot of chess. Study some chess. Do some chess lessons. Do the chess lessons on chess.com. Watch grandmasters play. Watch Daniel Naroditsky's videos. But play a lot. Do puzzles. Do puzzles. Play a lot of chess if you're a beginner. And watch Daniel Naroditsky. And you'll see that it's really easy. Once you learn your basic opening principles and you apply them, the whole beginning of the game is like it's not a trick anymore. And you watch Daniel Naroditsky, he'll do it for you. Watch me. I do it too. I develop my pieces in Castle. Rapid in online is tough because people cheat, so Blitz is best. You know, ACAT, that's not. I don't know if that's completely true anymore. I play a lot of Rapid. Do you stream elsewhere? Yeah, I multi-stream ACAT on Facebook, YouTube. I have 2 different streams going on YouTube and then in Twitch. Yeah. The 1 minute craziness is insane. Guys, let me tell you something that's crazy. I told you guys I had a recording session this morning, okay? I had to play guitar on a song I never heard before, by the way. He played it once for me, and I played along with it. I said, let me write it out. You're not going to be able to understand any of this, but I wrote it out. That's the song. That's the song in my own words. And then I sat there. I played it twice for him. And he was done. But I had to get up early. But the problem is, I couldn't sleep last night. So I fell asleep at 6:30, knowing I had to get up at 10:30. And so I'm on 4 hours right now. I'm a little bit tired. Thank goodness I only drank 1 cup of coffee earlier because I have to work tonight until midnight. So it's my only job, guys. My only steady job. I host open mic every Tuesday. Everything else is just chess. Occasionally, a band will hire me to play guitar for their band for like 1 gig. Like a substitute kind of thing, right? Or like today, I did a little recording session. But besides that, streaming is all I do, man. So tonight, I got to go work till midnight. I have got to run. Today was makeup from the 1 minute, no 1 minute chess yesterday, guys. That's what today was. Tomorrow's tournament day. Biggest stream of the week. Come, watch me play the tournament. If you don't want to play, it's okay. If you don't want to play, it's okay. But come tomorrow and either watch me play the tournament or come play the tournament with us. It's fun. Dave Joyce is in Facebook chat. He's the official tournament director, even though he has no control over it. Yeah. Concert piano recording because performing a non-heard song is nuts. Not for me, it's not. It's not. Yeah. No, this is like original music. It's original music, and the gentleman is paying somebody to record him. He's paying this producer to record him. And the producer says, okay, let's get the song. And then they record the song however they want. There's no right or wrong. It's his song. And then they need an electric guitar on it. And they come to me and they say, we're looking for this kind of vibe. What do you think? And I go, all right, what does this sound like? And the producer has the final word. Because he's the guy who's, doling out the you-know-what. And he'll be like, yeah, wait, do some of that down there on the low notes. Yeah, that sounds real good. Try that. Okay. And then I take my artistic ability and I ad-lib and I play. I came up with the signature riff for the beginning. We didn't write it out because I'm the only one playing it. Then when he hires a band to play his album on a stage, that guy's going to be playing my lick for the intro. Because he's going to listen to the song over and over hundreds of times. It's like, yeah, listen, these are the songs. You have to learn them just like this. That's kind of fun. Are they looking for a piano player? I record as well. This particular guy is not, because he himself is a piano player. He's actually a really good drummer too, but he's a piano player, and he plays in a Journey tribute band, and he's a professional he's a professional music teacher. He teaches music for a living. This producer engineer guy who got me this gig making this music for this other gentleman he writes good songs, man. He writes good songs. I've actually met the guy. He's a real nice guy. But I didn't even see the artist. The artist isn't here, guys. Guys, I'm not worthy, okay? I get to deal with... I'm just like the help. You know what I mean? It's like Brad Pitt doesn't really know who the gardener is. I'm the gardener. You know what I mean? Yeah. Hemlock, 1941. Dude, I gotta go, Hemlock. I'm not scared of your rating, brother. I gotta go. But yeah, man, if I had some work for you, brother, I'd send it your way. When did you start playing chess? You look 60 years old. No hate. A-Cat, dude, it's no hate, and I don't feel bad. I'm on 4 hours sleep. But no, I am almost 60. Not quite, but I'm getting there. And I learned how to play when I was young. Guys, we have friend requests on chess.com. What do I got? Z-Goose on chess.com, and It Is Mike on chess.com. We are now friends on chess.com. That means we take care of each other, and we help each other get better at chess. That's all we got to do to have the best relationship ever online for gaming. Yeah, Hemlock, love you, brother. Love you guys. Guys, I got to run, man. I got to run. I'm so hyped right now. I feel like, I don't think I could take like a melatonin thing or something, right? I'll probably sleep too long. I need to take about a 2-hour nap. The problem is I'm going to lay there for an hour and a half. But you know what? 30 minutes is 30 minutes, right? $5 is $5. Freaking love you guys. Catch you guys. Next stream is tomorrow, 3 o'clock. Chess stream. That's a longer stream, guys. That's 3 hour plus stream for the chess tournament. It's amazing. Be here tomorrow. Love you guys. Goodbye.